Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Giant Hills commercial drivers make hue and cry against state government's increase of oil and permit. Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Subordinate Technical Staff Association organizes seminar for veterinary field assistant. And 10 Meghalaya weightlifters selected to compete at the National Bench Press Competition in Goa next month. Now the news in detail. The commercial drivers belonging to all Giant commercial vehicles yesterday made a hue and cry, including carrying placards and placing of black flags in their vehicles as a mark of protest to the state government for unreasonable hike in the prices of petrol, diesel and permit. Speaking to the media, the General Secretary of Shillong Tourist Cab Association, John Lingdaw, termed the increase in the price of oil and permit as big exploitation on the part of the state government. He also said the learning came to a standstill during the COVID-19 pandemic and the state government is putting additional burden on them by hiking the prices of essential items. Meghalaya Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Subordinate Technical Staff Association Headquarters Shillong has organized scientific seminar for veterinary field assistant at the Vocational Training Center at Clay Tirshi in West Giant Hills, July. The seminar was sponsored by the Directorate of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Government of Meghalaya under the National Livestock Mission.
Of spending money in doing whatever for your luxury life, do something. People in Giant Hills also will benefit. So I'm hopeful that these people, if they are serious enough, if they will invest, you will see a sudden change in Giant Hills. If they will invest in cattle development, piggery, so on and so forth. Not only that, I'll tell you, now that the government of India has also prepared a plan, a scheme which they call it Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. From beginning of January, we will start the scheme in which the government of India also will provide support to an entrepreneur. Before we are giving to farmers schemes, now we will also focus to entrepreneur. Entrepreneur are what? People who mean business. They don't start with 1 pig, 2 pig, 3 pigs like farmers. When they want to invest, they invest in large, in a big way. Instead of starting with 4 pigs, they will have to start at least minimum 50 pigs to there. Where the money will come. They have the money, they need support from the government will give them some kind of a subsidy to these people. These things, that's why I'll tell you, you will see in coming 5 years, our department will really be one of the department which will create a jealousy to many. I'm not just thinking big because I know already. Plans are already there. That's why consider yourself that you are so important. Because as mentioned by all the speakers, you are the backbone. So there is the role for all of you during that period that you will become so important. People will look at you that is so important to me. In fact, to achieve that, you need to prepare yourself. How do you prepare yourself? You have to be skillful. You have to be knowledgeable. That's why, again, coming back, seminar, training, etc. can update your knowledge. So whenever we call for training seminar, don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Come and attend the training. Even if you don't like also, you please simply sit and listen. If you want to get rid 80%, at least retain 20% sufficient. 20%. If you will end your 2 days seminar here, if you cannot digest everything which the resource person are giving to you, it's all right. But at least something should be there. Then only you will see, yes, I have acquired some new information, new knowledge. Not only that, over and above, I keep on repeating to all the officers, to all of you also, our website, I do not know how many of you are interested in doing internet. I think almost nowadays, because in our mobile, almost.
So viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. 10 weightlifters of Meghalaya have been selected to take part in the National Bench Press Competition in Goa from the 16th to the 25th of November this year. This was disclosed by the members of Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association at a press conference held in Shillong Press Club today.
The captain ng player mo, kibanlay, Shri Everson Khadbi Kyo, nanta Anastasius Rendang Sungi, Shri Tenshan Kupar Maulong, Shri Jonathan Nyota, Shri Frankie H. Nongrong, Coach, nanta Shri Jordan J. Nyota, Shri Donald Rambai, Shrimati Angel Mary William Umlong, Miss Dapisa Nongse, but Shri Hilarious Kharbikyo. Di kini ki player ki bangila expect bangilen. Di ka ika wa kongsan kalong ka ni ay mensi miki. Namar ba barbar hi kat bangi pet ki player ki ba let shabar kawai kaliang ka balong bangimdan kiwi ki ba kiban burom ki shop kinwan ani banlet. Di kumni hi na kaliang ka association ni ay kublay ya BPB player balakloy mensi balakloy shisha daladi banyelet wala da kalong ka expenditure bakinlut na kilo. Ndai ka wait kami think kalong ba kuman chuong na kaliang ka fitness hi menta baro hi kuman chuong haktin ngoi health as well. Tingi don kami ya kejingkot jengkhia. Nadu iba kadai kejingkot jengkhia le kadai ka spa ba. Umdan spa i rem hal khamat kejingkot jengkhia. Ndai habai perkhat ya kani kejinglek ka. Kai ka bokongsan menta kalong bangi kum ki nong kum na kaliang ki association ni kum tu ya baro kitu ki ba kiba kikna kiba wan hagi bar kiba kwa ban lekai ka balat na kani jing sniu kidi ban join ha kalong kan jing lekai la kalong ha football la kalong ha tennis la kalong badminton any game dan swimming and la ni ka gym ndre ka bakong san hi balat na ki bro kini jing sniu te khamtam mata no bun kilong yeng long sam ki janjar nam ta ki khun ki ti ban pet mo namar bole kala jele pra kani jing di drops te ndre ka haba bre ulet ka jing lekai Tika penlong yu bo un pelat ya kitu kijing di boro. An kadika there's no rehabilitation center than any other like na kajim. Kajim kadika way but ki sport monkey sport kidi way ki balong ka rehab kadika rehab ya ki pelat na dosna mandi ban kila maintain bit kitu ka physical fitness ya ki nadu bakin kiam stem bakin thia and bakin kran ki briru kanum don chu mano jing klumar hasnong ru an gade gata kawai ke bakong san kalong ba sisian hi baki kena kila lej ha kajing la kai ki maintain ya ka discipline le job ti sa kawai ru kanong ba ka fitness hi kamut tang yang ni ki bakam ki badang samla kamut di baro hi nadu ki teman ki kloro ki should ki dang step ki should Kertu ya ki samla mo ban ki dak step banyak ka step ban ya ka pengat namar ki lat lu nadu ka jemut jum perkhat ru kampus su she lu te ka jemut jum perkhat sisen ba ke kamda chu tu ka jemut perkhat ban ong ban pai shu ding sniu ban pai shu kat ni ka pam ka di hendai la perkhat bi kumno ban mitin ya kamer ka te ka wei ka long ka ba sa ka wei ru ka long asos nei ba kum na kalyang jungi ni pet hadu mata na kalyang ka gom ni hadu mata kam don jing rap ru ya dengan sosi ban ong wala katarung niso tuna bagi player ki balik menta ki peni shisha ba wala da ka government kam don ru nginlet la de tingi kum na ka alliance ka association ru kat bangi don hi nginala man kristian ki tinga kenturu wala da ka government ni ka ploy wala da layo yo ikani ka press release ru ti ladang iwan ha kunu por ban yarap ru so ba ayeng jingrap ba don ki kena ki ba nakawan ki wan na yung bodok Ndre bom dan la pan ki susah kuno. Ndre la da don ki bala ban support. Lani ban stand seki. Tekan kiyo sa prangke. Naduk ani kajing lek kairu. Kubis bun tanam tak ni.
One person named Bats Kimlang Cream, who hailed from Latkor, Saulat, Padang Shillong, was drowned at Umir River in Maupadang area. His body was retrieved by the search and rescue team at 2:30 p.m. today. Cream had gone to the river along with his friends.
Narame mati.
ये लाई और थोड़ा ये tay rồi cái gì ở phía nấu ăn phía bên tây nữa thì em cần ngâm luôn đấy cần ngâm tới cái gì bây giờ strop lên chứ strop inflate
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.